Good morning, on and all present here. I'm Nandini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic on keys. What is a foreign key and primary key, candidate key, composite key, super key, foreign key? We are going to see. This is the agenda. First, we are going to see what is key, what are the types of key. There are many types of key. First one is a primary key, second one is candidate key, third one is alternate key, fourth one is super key, and the fifth one is foreign key. What is an objective? Understanding different type of keys in a table, which is used for tables relationship. It is used to identify the primary key and the foreign key to create a relationship. Create a primary and foreign key is an actual Dbms. Keys in a table. A table in a key in a data table is a field group of fields that creates identity, makes relationship at another table, and or makes a table for more effective. Table is nothing but if there are two tables, they must find a relationship between those two tables. First one is a primary key and foreign key. A primary key is a key that uniquely identifies a row in each table. It is normally denoted with its first two letters, namely PK. The short form of primary key is PK. For example, if there is a customer details, we are having their customer ID, customer name, customer phone number, their address, mail ID, etc. And that the primary key is known as a customer ID because the customer IDs may be consist of 101 for Ramesh, 102 for Rajesh, 103 for Raju. So, if an ID is 101, we can easily identify that it is a Ramesh. It is known as a primary key. Next one, what is a foreign key? A foreign key is a key that borrowed from another related table. That why it's foreign. In order to make the relationship between the two tables, it's normally denoted with its first two letters, namely FK. Foreign key is also denoted with the short form of FK. Example from premium database, primary key. For example, we have seen that the customer number, customer name, street, city, state, zip, balance, credit limit, repay number. Suppose I am giving a street name and I need to take the customer details. It is somewhat difficult because 282 is also a street number consisted with Evergreen and also within Columbia. So we will get some confusion. Even though if we go with the zip also, it will make some confusion. But if we go with the customer ID, all the 10 customer IDs have been different when compared to the each and everything. So customer uniquely identifies the customer table in the primary key of a table. This given table identifies the unique difference in a primary state. Another example we can say is for customer name also. Even there can be two customer with the same name. For example, I have seen as Rajesh and Ramesh. So in this table, Rajesh is a common name, so it can be updated for 2 to 3 times. So it will get confusion to declare which is a primary key. So it is easy to declare a customer number with the primary key. We can easily get the amount. For balance also, someone have similar balances, or with the help of balances, if we are taking anything, it may vary to the second, so it is very difficult to it. For example of foreign key, for example, there are two different tables. One table consists of RAP number, last name, first name, street, city, state, zip, commission and rate. For example, we are going to find a relation between these two tables. Here REP number is common for these two tables. So if we are going to find a relationship between these two tables, it is very easy for us to find because the REP number is in the REP table also and in the customer table also. So for 20, if we take for 20, combining the first and second table, their RAP number will be 20, their last name will be Kaiser, first name will be Walser, street with 624 roller, city is Grove, state is FL, zip is 33321, is commission number and rate will be appeared. Extra thing it is going to appear is customer's name, the city are being combined with the help of that and the ID for that RAP number will be assumed as 148, because in the customer table we have the REP number 20, we have a customer number is 148. Next one we are going to see is second one is 35. Hall Richard, 532 Jackson Street, Selden City, FL State. It consists of some zip and etc. with the rate of 0.07, and this REP number 35 can be taken from this with then Hall's name. So it will get somewhat there are with the help of 35 there are 2 to 3 35s appeared in the customer table. So at that time what we will be doing is we are going to take a relation between these two, and which in this 35 alone we are going to take filtration, and we are going to find the foreign key for that, and we are going to declare the customer number. Next one is referral integer. For example, REP number, last name, first name, street, city, state, zip, commission rate. From REP number to REP number, customer table consists of customer number, customer name, street, city, state, zip, balance, credit limit, REP number. The foreign key REP number in customer must match with the primary key REP number in REP table. It must be table. Reference integer has been explained here, and the candidate key is known as some possibilities to have a choice or field combines to use a primary key. Any field that could serve as a primary key is also known as a candidate key. The primary key is foreign key. A table is being shown. Records in a table is a primary key with another table.